Experiment title: JK flip-flop using NAND gates. This is a trial kit. Connect the ICs. Which are all the ICs to be used? 7410. We need two 7410 ICs. Then one 7400 IC. So totally we have three ICs, two 7410 ICs, which is 3 input NAND gate, and 7400, which is 2 input NAND gate. So now we can start connecting the circuit. Apply the VCC first. So pin number 14 to VCC, then pin number 7 to ground for all the three ICs. For IC2 7410, pin number 14 to VCC, then pin number 7 to ground we can connect. Same way for IC3, which is 7400 to input AND gate, pin number 14 to VCC, pin number 7 to ground. Next step, first let us give the clock input, pin number 13 and 3 of IC1 shorted. Give it to clock pulse. You can give a mono pulse, which is high pulse. Later you can go on pressing the button, you get continuously output generated. Then we can give J input at pin number 2. Next we have K input at pin number 4 of IC1. Next you have to give 3, 4, 5 of IC2 to short it, then give the clock input. IC2 we are supposed to take. So pin number 3, 4 and 5. Output of the IC to pin number 6 should go to pin number 2 of 7400, which is slave flip-flop. Pin number 6 of IC2 to IC3 pin number 2, which is the input of first NAND gate in the slave flip-flop. The same point to be connected to pin 4. So what are the things left out in master flip-flop? Check that. So JK is done, clock input is done. Now pin number 1 should be given to output Q bar, which is pin 11 of 7400. Pin number 1 of IC1 to pin number 11 of IC3. So the same point Q bar I have to take a output. Q bar, second output. I need to take pin 5 of IC1 to Q, which is pin 8 of IC3. Correct? Same point I have to take a Q out. So pin number 5 of IC1 is connected to pin number 8 of IC3. Same point, from pin number 8 I will connect Q output, the first one, the first output to the output line. Correct? Just press it once. Yes. Pin number 8. Q output is connected. Next, complete the connection. What are the things left out? See that. So pin number 12 of IC1 to pin number 10 of the same IC, that is gate 2. Pin number 12 to 10 of same IC. In a single IC we have how many gates? You can check 3 gates. Next one, pin number 6 of first IC to pin number 1 of the same IC. Pin number 6 of first IC to pin number 1 we have done, that is second IC. Then now the preset I am connecting, that's pin number 9. To preset means give logic high. Next you have to take clear from the second IC, pin number 2, give high. Clear is again to be set to high. Next one, so pin number, which one? The second IC, pin number 13. Check it. 1 dash to 8 is connected. Next one, pin number 11 to 12 dash is to be done now. So 1 dash to 8 is done now. 11 to 11 of first IC to be given to pin number 12 of second IC. Next one, pin number 12 to pin number 5 of third IC. Correct? What is left out? Coming to the slave flip now, pin number 3 to 9 of IC3. Next one, pin number 6 to pin number 13 of IC3. Pin number 8 to 12. Next the last one, pin number 11 to 10. Finished. Circuit is done now. Everything is done. Check it. Now we can see the output. Apply the clock pulse. You need to apply the clock pulse here. So as soon as I press, you get the output. Initially, what are things we have given? Clear and preset is high. When I switch on the trainer kit, you should get high. And JK is kept it 0 0 initially. So you get output also 0 0. So based on that previous state or whatever, you have to check according to the truth table. Initially you get previous state. See, I have not yet applied the clock pulse here. Preset is high, clear is high. Correct? Then you see the J and K are 0. Some output you are getting previous state, say 1 0. Sometimes you may get 0 1 also. That depends previous state. Now you give the clock pulse, it remains same 1 0 itself. See, I have given the clock pulse, it remains in the same state, which is 1 0. Now I again made J0 K1. Now this time what is the output is supposed to get? Reset. Reset means Q0 Q bar 1. Next time 1 0. Now give the clock pulse, it should change to set. You should get Q1, this time Q bar 0. Correct. Now you give 1 1. This time when you give clock pulse, it will toggle from 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. Q and Q bar changes. Toggles. Correct. Thank you.